Yeah. Geronimo.
What's up? Where's the race?
Where you eat before?
Right.
And this one here with the bag. The viewport bag.
Really?
Yeah. People over here just going guava jam. Hear me guava jam. They just going guava hunting.
Right.
Well, ain't shame. Anyways. Right, come and tell the people where we're going.
It's Justin.
Come on. Girl, where you ready going? Come and tell the people. Girl. Come. Yeah, what? Come and tell the people where we're going.
I don't know.
But,
You're going mad.
wow. Yeah, so we're going by the river. Hopefully, we're going to the waterfall. And we're going to see what it looks like. And we might take a dip.
And this is the bridge to cross to go to the river.
Alright, tour guide, alright.
See how it is first before you come across, so you don't waste your time. Yeah. There you go.
This ticket is for you?
Yeah. To cross the river.
There's a long part. We have a ahead of it.
But till we drink it before it get hot. You get it true?
Cheers, people.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Okay. Chubby up.
Mommy.
Chubby up. Chubby up.
Right, yeah. We ain't even reach halfway yet to them. Is he walking and stopping and whoa.
Somebody ready catch it tree already?
Yeah, because we need the bamboo there.
Yeah,
All it
evidence.
have now is up on top.
Okay. Yes, huh?
He ain't too far behind. Oh God. This?
You walk here already, no, but right?
Yeah, we walked here last week, but this week different, but
Yeah, because we know where we're going.
I said we walked here last week, but here different. This week different, but
Bring this so. To be snake.
we're approaching the river.
Finally did it.
But
Huh?
he said we walking like we remember where we're going.
Well, yeah.
Remember all it.
Now I want
Okay.
to break what to fall away.
You know what it is, that bamboo drop on your back?
Why? That one is good.
That's like the lashing you with it.
The river a little
Yeah, the
lower.
lower now.
That's what we was hoping for, so.
Yeah, that's true.
I go hold it, so. Yeah. Oh good. Oh my God, let's take the camera. Take the camera.
Look, let's hold the end of the stick. Right, hold the stick.
Ready?
As your balance to go.
Ready? 1, 2.
Right.
Right.
That's it, huh? That's it.
Ready? Woo.
Then let's go. JJ got juice, not Les got juice.
Hey guys,
Yeah, 'cause girls is
let's do this.
I get in everything. Ooh, look at how mess.
What are those?
Why you putting my food in here?
For those who don't know where is Pamarak tree, this is a Pamarak tree. It starts green and it gets very red, it is white. And look yo! I just put in this. I don't know if you all can see it. I'm trying to get close up. Just put in this. Look, people, shit. And look at butternut tree. It looks like breadfruit, but it's not breadfruit. It's a butternut tree. Butternut tree. Yo. Jump it over. See it?
Like and subscribe.
Why we coming down here? Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Is that you good?
Yeah. How you doing?
Last time people, we didn't reach this far. We only reached past the water. Not here and there, and then we come back.
Right. So. Yeah, we talking about from right here. So we continue the journey. And yo, this part also part of the river that will be going to end up to the waterfall. We have another cross. Okay, we have another crossing again. Take the phone. Take the phone. Oh. You want the stick? Oh, Pops. You want to hold it back? Oh, just enjoying the moment. Let's go. Mommy. She jumped me there.
I thought it was a snake.
Okay, people, we almost reached the destination. Let's give now a view of the surrounding before we reach. This is how we look. So we continue walking because we almost reached our destination. Hi, say hi, JJ.
I want to dance.
JJ says she want to die.
More than a half an hour.
This is approximately about an hour and a half walk, you can say, or half an hour walk. Oh. And where's the time now?
Now 2 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay, people, we reach. I think we
So you can say that we reach. Your people at the view of the waterfall.
Oh, so if we go there and jump there, we could go across there. And but you have to be in the water to go around in the back there.
Oh, you'll pass right there, go and walk and jump over right there.
And go through
Then go over right there and then walk up right here.
So there we go and see how far we could reach. She
So
more
you're
adventurous
stopping-
than me.
Go on, go on.
Oh, you're good.
Yeah.
People will reach. And I want it there. Right, I'm going and walk it that way and see what that I don't walk with him too. I just walk put on your back.
Again it.
Let me get that water there, please.
There, JJ, she hunting for she water. She dying for water now. Look at her face. Look at her face. Right.
Alright, there we go.
So we're continuing.
She playing, she more adventurous than we.
Let me come on to the... But that's why you watching. If you can't swim, you go jump. And look, fishes.
I feel fishing now. I feel I might just take a dip in the...
Lower down, down there.
Give me a hand.
Give me, give me.
Oh, Miss Jump.
Wow. That's a beautiful.
Hell no. Bye. Just you jumping?
That's the way they jump up.
Listen, that's crazy. I'm not doing that. Whew. The waterfall pretty though.
Yeah. These are beautiful.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, but I love my life too much. Me ain't doing that. And my cousin said he water all over. Me, not me and that.
Can swim, say you what are you?
You can't swim?
Nope. No jumping here.
I gotta jump and go right here.
Geronimo! I wanna jump in, but afraid. Me ain't jumping. I walking in. Call me a host, me and care. I am walking in. You going in again? You jumping again?
Yeah, taking from me. Yeah, because you know you jump up great and no weapon.
Oh.
This is so chill.
No, Jesse, don't try to. Jesse swimming. Watch.
But I've never seen this
JJ, you taking a dip? We are waiting to see you take a dip, JJ.
You good now?
Yeah.
But can't swim on it.
Okay, I just gotta ask you that.
Look at my head. My face won't do to what? Huh? Your face? Yeah. You don't wanna use this water? Wow.
You eat yours? Yeah, you said.
I know that.
One more dip for the road.
Oh, no, I am so cool.
Nothing.
Just your phone,
You fought? I thought you fought now. How you feeling? Oh, let's see, she set me up there. Before we come here, she said she was going to take a dip. And she stand up there and watch me take a dip.
Yo, I dip my shoes.
Really? Yeah,
Yes, really.
It look, don't run to go nowhere. You see she foot dry, right? She foot very dry. She didn't dip no foot in no water.
The distance we came from, so you must drive back.
You go.
Right.
You good?
You have stick. Oh, right. I'm using the stick to a burst to come across. I'm going to take them here and make
Bread?
Braids?
Make what? Braids? Anyway, how we know?
Yeah, I know. I hear that talk. I hear somebody.
No, it's true, I know.
Yeah.
Moss?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
hear that use moss today.
Y'all, tell me what this look like to y'all.
Weave?
Does it look like a wave or braise or something?
Wave? It look like a wave.
Weave.
Uh-huh.
You're solid, you the best.
I've been rolling, smoking Doja, think I'm stuck in my ways. They be hoeing for exposure, I ain't got shit to say. System in control of swordsman, free my dogs out of cage. I wrote my feelings in this book and then I tore out the page. I was read off the dope now. If you try to find me, look for smoke clouds.